video marketing is video used to achieve a business result, right?
Okay.
I mean, some would argue that video marketing is like in the creator space. If you're a creator getting paid on ad spend, then video marketing is getting your videos seen. I would agree with that. It's not what we do, right? I don't need to get I don't need to get 7 cents on 1 million views, right? Or whatever.
Exactly.
I want to make 3 videos that make sales for the rest of my life. And I'll tell you what, you know what else I want to do? I want to state my opinion on video. I want my clients to hear what I'm all about, why I'm here, and what my business stands for. And you do that with a weekly show, with an ongoing show.
Exactly.
Right? So there's that drive in me too. I want my community to know who I am. I work out of my home, and I don't have a storefront. But what I do have are these little mobile devices that cost $1,000 that every single person in America has.
Yeah.
Right? Even our poor. Do you realize that our poor have smartphones?
Yeah.
They have machines that would have been thousands of dollars just 10 years ago. Maybe like 20 years ago. Right? So we have these digital billboards, and the more that you're there, the more you're going to get customers coming to your front door. You know, and as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you have the ability to make a sale and take like a percentage of that sale and put it towards your ad spend. So you don't have to wait to get famous like a creator does, right? What you can do is you make a $100 sale, you take 10 bucks of that, and you put it towards ad spend to get your next weekly show boosted to your community, right? And it's this self-perpetuating device that's part of your sales cycle.